Yeah. Ah!
What's up, BB gang? It's your girl, Shy Fun, aka Shy Money. As you can see by the title of this video right here that I'm about to do on your boy, okay? I'm gonna be messing with him. I'm gonna do the annoy my boyfriend prank. Well, he's actually not playing 2K because he's not a basketball gamer player type of person. He likes playing like Fortnite, kinda. I haven't really seen him on Fortnite lately, but he's into I think he's playing Black Ops or Call of Duty. It's one of those, but he said I think he's playing the beta because he told me what it was, but I don't remember what it was. But I know it's either Call of Duty or Black Ops beta, something beta. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go mess with him right now. Right now, he's playing online with his bros. What's up, bros? What's up? He playing online right now. So this is the perfect time to mess with him. So I'm just gonna be like touching on him and like trying to grab the headphones, trying to talk to him and everything. Everything I used to always do anyway. So it's something normal for me to do while he's playing the game. But right now, he's playing the game too much for me. Too much. Like, I told him, okay, babe, I'll give you 2 hours on the game, but then after that, that's it, okay? Because I need some attention, okay? You know, as females, we need attention, okay? So, yeah, guys, I'm about to go in here right now. I'm going to just make it seem like this is like a regular vlog. I'm going to make it seem like it's a regular vlog and just go in there and mess with him. So, here we go. Oh, Lord, he got the lights off.
Oh, we lost, bro.
I don't know if he'll see it.
What you doing?
I'm trying to do a vlog, but you on the game.
Huh?
I'm trying to do a vlog, but you on the game.
Right now?
Yes, babe. We need to put a video out.
Oh.
They can't even see you. Hold up.
Why you doing the video right now, though?
Hold up. Because.
No, don't turn the light on. I'm playing the light. No, I'm not using the light.
Huh?
I don't want the light.
Why?
I'm playing the game still.
But I need the light.
I don't need the light.
But I need it.
I don't need the light, though.
But I'm trying to do this video.
You can't wait till I'm done.
No, babe, because it's getting late.
So?
We gotta get this video
It's
out.
never too late. Bro,
Yes,
turn
it
the light
is.
off.
No, babe. Just go and play your game. You can play it like that.
What?
You can play it like that.
So what's the point of the video then if you want me to play the game? I thought you wanted to get out of the game.
I do want you to get off the
But you
game.
just say you still want to play.
Because I need the light on. So that way we can vlog.
Bro, turn the light off, bro.
No, babe, I need the light. I need the light. Look, you finna die.
Bro, turn the light off, bro. I'm not even playing the game right now. I mean, pre-game lobby. Come on, man. Chill out.
Babe, stop.
Bro, you can do the video after, bro.
No. I need the light.
So what kind of vlog you doing then?
Huh?
What kind of vlog is you doing?
I'm trying to do a vlog.
Of what?
Us.
Bro, I'm gonna play the game, bro. I need the
Babe.
light.
No.
I need the light right now. Babe, chill out. I need the light right now.
Babe, come on now.
I'm gonna do the video after I'm done playing.
Okay, well, go ahead.
No, we've been doing videos all week, bro. That's the time in the game.
Babe,
Babe, what?
you told me 2 hours.
Shit.
You heard him? Man.
Bro, turn the light off, bro.
Babe. Oh, come on now.
Bro, turn the light off, bro.
Ooh.
You finna let me? Come
Boy,
on, chill out, bro.
I thought you was charging at me. He played too much. Okay, guys, I'm finna set up this camera because I'm getting tired of this man here. So, yeah, I'm gonna set it up. I'm trying to set it up in front of him. But, like, since I told him it's a vlog, so he'll know it's a vlog now. So, I'm trying to vlog him. So, yeah, guys, I'll be right back.
Hey, come on, man. Turn the light off. What are you
Babe,
doing? Look,
just-
you made me die, bro.
No, I didn't. Baby.
What?
Hmm?
What is it doing? Turn the light off.
Come on, can you get off? Babe.
Bro, chill, chill.
Come on.
Damn. Bro, what is he doing in the light?
Babe.
Yo, chill out, chill out, chill out. What is he doing? Chill out. Real shit, chill out, chill out.
Okay.
Damn, nigga. Bitch ass nigga take my kill. Yo, the nigga in the tunnel. What is he doing?
Huh?
What is he doing?
What is you doing?
Bro, you was tripping right now, bro. You was
Babe.
tripping right now.
Babe, come on. Hello?
Babe, chill, stop. They can hear you.
Hmm?
Look, he made me freaking die again, man. Let's stop, bro.
Babe, come on.
Man,
It's not
bro. Bro, let's stop, bro. Let's stop. I'm not in the. Why you? What is he doing?
that. Don't do that.
Damn.
Babe, come on.
Babe. Come on, man.
Come on, can
chill.
you just get off for a little
I'm
bit?
gonna come off in a little bit.
What's a little bit?
Babe, it's a beta to get. Look how you, man, just move from beside me, bro.
Why? I'm not even doing that. I'm just standing here.
What is he doing?
Babe,
Oh, I ain't finna pay no more right now, bro.
can you get off?
Yeah, all right now.
Hmm?
Bro, get off me.
Babe, just get off. Friends, can he have 15 minutes? Did they hear me?
Oh my god, bro. Look where this nigga at.
Babe,
Babe, what is he doing?
come on. Come on, let's just make a video real quick.
Babe, you know you can do the video by yourself. Like, come on.
No,
man.
I don't want to do it by myself. It's a couple's channel. It's not just my channel.
Look at this nigga. I can't even focus because of you, bro. Like, come on, man. Come on me, bro.
Babe, come on.
Bro, can you move, bro?
Huh?
Come on.
We sitting together. Babe.
Why you want to do this right now?
Because we got stuff to do.
Man, it can wait, bro.
No, it can't.
This is the beta I'm playing. The beta finna go away this side there or
I
something.
don't even
whatever.
know what beta is
Well,
from there.
Get off of me, man. Get off of me, man. Damn.
Babe. Let me set the mood. Let me set the mood for you, baby. Man, I do not know.
Nigga stupid, yo.
Yeah. Turn off the lights.
Man, what is he doing? Come on, man.
Come
Come
on, get
on. Look at me. Freaking start.
Boy. Boy. Back up. Back up. What? Sit down.
Stop, man. Let's chill.
Man, come on. Trying to make my wig flop off. Babe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Just still in the freaking. Bro, stop.
Hello? Oh. There you go. Go, just sit down.
What's wrong with you? What do you want?
Babe.
What do you want?
Okay, you done playing?
No, I'm not done.
Babe, come on.
Jeez.
Can you get off?
No, I'm not getting off. I'm not gonna get off.
Why?
I ain't annoying the crap out of me now. Shit. Are you still playing?
Babe, come on.
Oh my God!
Babe, come on, get up. Come on. How many kills? I mean, how many times can you die before they end the game on you? Huh? Babe. Babe, come on.
Bro, get the fuck out of me, man. Bro, I cannot get a kill because of you right now.
Man, it's okay.
I'm like 1 on freaking 6.
Why you want to kill people for? Babe, come on. Hide. Shoot, let me turn it back to the regular one. That one. Babe. Fine. Alright guys, since he want to sit up here and he want to ignore me, you can't ignore me. You can't ignore me. You hear him? You hear him? It's alright. Got some for that ass. Hold up. Boom. Y'all remember this water gun when he pranked me? When he pranked me, all y'all was laughing. I'm about to get him back now. What's up? What's up? Who you playing with? Who you? Boy, I'm gangster up in these streets. I'm all the way gangster. All the way gangster. Who ready? Y'all ain't ready for it. He ain't ready for me. It's alright. I'm about to go in here right now. I'm about to light his up with this water gun. Charlie Angel, look at me. Alright, y'all. Catch me in the next scene. Catch me in the next scene. Catch me in the next scene. I don't want to get his phone wet. Y'all ready? Let's go. Alright.
Send me an invite. I'm finna jump back. Send me an invite.
You want to play with me?
It's 11:30 in there. You can still join. 18. Nah, it's full. I'm getting full right now. Yeah. Ah! Ah!
Get off the game. Get off the game.
Bro, hold on real quick, bro.
Where you going?
What is he doing?
Get off.
What is he doing?
Get off the game. I'm not playing with you. You hear this authority in my voice? I'm not playing. Play with it.
Babe.
Play with it. Play with it.
You got
Play with it. Play with it.
You got wasted.
Play with
it. Actually, what is he doing with the water?
Play with it.
What is he doing?
Play with it.
You want my freaking
attention? You better. Nope. You
bro,
better stop.
Chill.
You better stop.
Stop.
Put it down.
You stop.
Put
you
it down.
Stop.
Put it down.
Yeah, bro, like, come on, man. Chill out, man. You doing too much right now.
No, I'm not. You doing too much right now.
What is he doing with the water bottle?
Because you ignoring me. So I gotta wake you up.
I'm on the game, bro. You can't give me a few minutes on the game?
No, I gave you too many minutes already.
Bro, that's all you.
No, that's all you. Sit back down if you want to. Sit back.
Right
You better get up. Get up.
Yo, stop.
You better stop. You better put that cup down. Put it down. Put it down right. Put it down.
Let's chill out. Chill out.
Chill out.
All right, I'm gonna get this is the last game.
No, you already said
this
that.
Is the last, for
you already said that.
This is the last game for real.
You already said that. You play?
This is the last game for real.
You testing me?
Chill out. This is the last game for real. What is it
You testing me?
Bro, I'm not even playing with you right now.
You better not sit back.
Get up. Chill out,
Get up.
This is the last game.
No, because it's never a last game on that game. Who you playing with? Is that your buddies? Your bros?
Babe,
your bros?
Bro, why you want to play right now? Chill out.
Because you ignore me and I don't like to be ignored.
I'm not ignoring you.
You are ignoring me.
I simply told you I'm finna play the game a couple hours.
Babe, it's been a couple days. What do you mean?
So?
So nothing. Nothing is so.
You been home.
So?
Bro, chill out with that water. Look at me die again, bro. I'm finna leave it. Yo, I'm finna back up, bro.
Have you ever been baptized before?
Yo, I'm finna back up, bro.
Yeah, go ahead, back out. Back out of that game. Back out.
You tripping right now.
You tripping.
You tripping right now.
You tripping.
Bro, don't say shit to me, bro.
Who you talking to? I can talk to you if I want.
Bro.
Don't, you better not throw that cup at me. But
bro,
put it down.
Don't say shit to me right now, bro.
I can say whatever I want to say to you.
Don't say shit to me right now, bro.
You mad? You mad, Buster? Buster, you mad? Don't be mad. Babe, come here. Babe, come here. It's a prank. Now, come on now. Don't be mad at me. Come on now. That's what the people wanted. Y'all didn't close the door on me. Y'all see this? Babe. Baby. Babe. Can you open the door? Babe, come on, open the door. Open the door. Come on now. Babe, it's just a prank. It's just a prank. Huh? Babe, come on. Can you? I'm sweating now. It's hot. Come on, babe.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Bro, what's you want to go sit down?
Come on, just open the door.
You want me on the game? I want the game now.
Okay, well, come out the restroom. I want you out the game, out the restroom. Guys, y'all took it too far. Y'all done took it too doggone far. Oops, excuse me. He mad at me now. Babe, open the door. Y'all see this? Babe,
What?
I love you.
Man, I don't give a damn.
Oh, he said he don't give a damn. Huh? Babe, come on. Babe, come on. Come on, babe. Come on. Did I make you lose too much?
Man, move, man. What the fuck you doing on the camera, bro?
Because it's just a prank.
I don't give a fuck.
Babe, it's just a prank. Come on. Come on. Babe. Maybe if I stay quiet, he'll come out the restroom. Fingers crossed. Babe, I couldn't stay quiet that long. Yeah.
What you want?
Babe, it was just a prank.
Hey, bro,
Babe, stop. Don't punch the camera. The camera didn't do nothing.
I don't care.
Babe, it wasn't me. It was them. They wanted the video.
You want me up the game? I'm off the game.
Okay.
No, leave it ahead of them.
No.
Come on,
Babe,
man.
come on.
Bro, you still recording?
Yes.
Bro, move,
Babe,
bro. Like,
come on.
I don't give a damn.
I love
Move.
you.
I don't give a shit. Move,
Y'all
bro.
see him?
Reverse it.
Babe,
Come on,
Nah. You better stop pushing me. I'm not playing with you.
Like, come on.
Babe, come on.
You want me up the game? I'm up the game, so you still finna be bored because I'm not gonna give you attention with you.
Babe, come on.
Bro, can I use the restroom in peace, bro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you turn the camera off or something?
Why? I'm vlogging. Babe, it was just a prank now. Come on.
No, bro. I'm playing online against other niggas, bro. Look at
Okay.
you. Look at you do my shirt, bro. This shit's not even funny, bro.
Well, you're not gonna be hot no more, cause I'm hot. I wish I was.
Did I say I was hot?
Huh?
Did I say I was hot?
Oh, I just thought you felt hot,
Oh,
cause.
get out of me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Did I say I was hot, bro?
Babe,
Shit, the fuck, bro. Turn the camera.
babe, this camera like low key heavy.
But I don't give a shit. You should have thought about that before you start using it.
Babe, come on. Don't be mad at me. I love you.
I'm gonna use the restroom, bro. Come on, bro.
What you about to do? Number
Don't
one
worry,
or two?
bro. Man, get the fuck out.
Babe, come on. Can you come on? It's just a prank.
You know, you're tormenting me. You're tormenting me right now.
Huh?
You're tormenting right now.
How I torment you?
You're tormenting right now. You're annoying right now.
How I'm being annoying?
Like, do something, man. Just do something.
Huh?
Do something for me, man.
What? What the fuck you just said? What? Man, I can't take you serious when you making up stuff. Stop making up words.
Bro, you said you was doing a video, right?
Yes.
Vlog, right? So, why are you still recording?
Because we're not done. We gotta close it out.
Who gonna close it out?
Us.
Man, I said I wasn't doing a video right now. That's what I said.
Babe, can I have a kiss?
Bullshit.
Ooh. He almost snatched my wig off. Y'all seen it?
Bro, what shit you paying for?
Oh, my bad. It didn't get that much water on it.
You too loud.
Alright guys, I'm about to close out this video before it becomes too long. So I can go hug my baby daddy. With his sexy self. Sexy caramel. I love you.
Yeah, these damn games because of you.
Haha. Okay, babe, you can get back on it. I was just playing.
She did all that shit for no reason.
Babe, I was just playing. You can get back on it.
I'm finna take your ass home, bro.
You about to take me home.
I heard it.
Y'all heard him. He said he about to take me home. Who you about to take home?
You finna go sleep. You ain't finna be up in here, bro.
I just want to know who you about to take home. Alright guys, I'm about to end this video right here. So if y'all like this prank I did on your boy, hit that thumbs up, that like button. Comment in the comment section below. Comment Team Shy Money down in the comment section below. Also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And until the next one, y'all, we out. Peace. Babe, you want to say something? Huh, babe? Baby? 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 Babe? Hey, babe? Baby? Babe?
What?
You want to say something?
Obviously not.
Why? I love you. All right, guys.